Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the right parts and environment. Have a fresh CR 2032 cell and a clean surface ready so you don't lose the tiny disc. Then, press firmly on the polished metal back while twisting counterclockwise. You'll feel the tabs release. This action disengages the back cover. Do it with steady pressure to avoid slipping. Once the cover rotates roughly 1 notch, lift it off gently. Make sure to keep the green plastic housing steady while you work to prevent internal components from shifting. Next, remove the spent CR 2032 and understand why orientation matters. The plus side must face up to complete the circuit. Take out the old cell and insert the new one with the plus side visible. You'll hear a tiny sound when it contacts the spring. Then align the metal cover tabs into the slots on the plastic housing, lower the cover evenly, and twist clockwise until it clicks. Once done, the AirTag should power up. Make sure the cover sits flush and spins no more than a quarter turn when locked. Finally, verify operation and know one troubleshooting step. Bring your iPhone close to the AirTag. You should hear a chime or see a notification confirming it's active. If nothing happens, reopen the AirTag and reseat the battery. Sometimes a smudge or misaligned contact prevents power flow. Make sure the battery is fresh and not a coated anti-tamper type that blocks contact. If reseating fails, try a different CR 2032 to rule out a bad cell before pursuing further support or replacement options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.